Tropical rainforests are a vital habitat for some of the rarest animals in the world. They're the lungs of the earth, producing vast amounts of oxygen and storing millions of tons of carbon. These forests also lessen the impact of climate change problems, such as flooding. Yet they're constantly under threat from logging and clearance for crops such as soybean, timber and oil palm plantations. That's why protecting rainforests is a key priority for the RSPB. We're working to conserve forests as far afield as Indonesia and Sierra Leone. One of our most ambitious programmes is the restoration of Harapan Rainforest in Sumatra with our partners Burung Indonesia and BirdLife International. This is the first time the Indonesian government has granted a licence for the restoration of a production forest. It enables 100,000 hectares to be restored at Harapan and is a blueprint with the potential to protect millions more across Indonesia alone.
This is a very rare type of forest. 100 years ago there were about 16 million hectares. Today there are only 400,000 to 500,000 hectares left. But look at it, it has been logged once, twice, but it's still fantastic biodiversity. But it still takes a lot of work, 100 years, to really grow it back to where it once was.
Harapan covers an area about the size of Greater London. Some of the forest has only been partially logged, so will naturally regenerate. But many areas have been heavily deforested and must be replanted if Harapan is to return to its original state. It's a huge undertaking. More than 1 million saplings are grown at the Harapan nurseries every year. These tree species are chosen for their ability to grow fast and create a new, shady canopy. While the habitat is being restored, project workers track and study the wildlife within Harapan. This lowland rainforest is home to some of the rarest animals on Earth, such as Sumatran tigers and sun bears. The teams also install nest boxes for Sumatra's rare rhinoceros hornbill. These birds nest in the high canopy, and the artificial boxes are necessary while the forest regenerates. Conservation jobs are being created for many local people, including members of the indigenous Batin Sembilan community.
As a forest patrolman, I help to protect this forest from destruction done by irresponsible men. We indigenous people would be very sad if outsiders were to destroy our forest. That's why we are prohibiting them from cutting down the timber.
Harapan Rainforest is also providing schools and a free medical clinic for the Batin Sembilan forest dwellers.
By improving the lives of the people in and around Harapan Rainforest, we will be able to demonstrate to them the tangible benefits for their lives of forest restoration and forest conservation.
The Harapan Rainforest project is still in its infancy. Much has already been accomplished, but there's a great deal more to do. It's going to take a colossal amount of effort, but in the end, this project will show the world how these rich habitats for wildlife and protectors of our environment can be restored to their natural state. Your support is helping us to restore the rainforest. Thank you.